Hey Planner fam, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a live stream or new video, and go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hey, so let's go ahead and look at my spread from last week before we jump into this week's plan with me. So this is from Monday, November the 12th through the 18th. And as you can see, I got a lot of stuff done. I wanted to be very intentional and make sure that each day I went through and added what I did and then updated new things. You see I have my little pouch here where I kept my coupon that I didn't use, but let's go ahead and get to this week's spread. And this is for the week of November the 19th through the 25th. And we have Thanksgiving, so we got lots of stuff to go ahead and put in this spread. So if you want to see how this week's spread turns out, stick around. So what you see me doing now is putting my little bits of washi and stickers on that board, and I think it's a really convenient idea to find a board or a piece of paper to just put the remnants of sticker pieces and washi pieces that you're going to throw away on there versus sticking them on the edge of your desk and forgetting they're there, or they get stuck on your clothes or your hands. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you all. So if you have some, you don't have to go buy anything fancy. You can use it, something that came in a paper pack or what have you. So just thought I'd drop that little nugget on you. Tailor-made beats. as you can see, I decided to take the washi off the sides, and it was because I was kind of struggling when I was actually looking at it while I was doing my plan with me. It just didn't look like it was gonna match, but after looking at the replay as I edited, I kind of regret taking it off now. But nevertheless, the dots that's already on the side of the punch sheet, it still matches the dots that are throughout the spread. So it was a win-win, but I kind of wish I would have left it on now. is taking this to-do header and covering up the blessed part of this sticker. And it's not because I'm not blessed. I just needed a to-do box sticker, and this box sticker matched the colors that were already in my spread. It just didn't say what I needed it to say. So the good part about stickers, you can customize them however you want. So this worked out perfectly. all finished, and this is my weekly spread. As you can see, I took that washi off. I just wasn't feeling it at the time, but I got a lot of deco in. There's a lot of white space, so I can have a lot of function. I tried to stick with the same kind of color pattern throughout the spread. I love with the little pop of gold. I like that these are fall colors, but they're more softer and on the pastel side. So this is my spread for the week. So if you like it, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell so you never miss a video or a live stream, and give me a big old thumbs up if you like it, and drop a comment below. And also share this with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, where my purpose is to create and inspire one plan at a time.